If you find this segment informative, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest news and share this broadcast to your friends and family. Your support helps us keep you informed. Help us get our first 10,000 subscribers. Your engagement matters. Liking, sharing, and subscribing to our content not only helps more people discover the important stories we bring you, but also supports our team's hard work. It boosts our visibility in the algorithm, making it easier for others to find ways to stay informed. Thank you for being part of our community.
Okay, sir. Patuloy po tayo, sir. Ano po kasi po yung na-spoil storage na po, sorry talaga. So, ano po yung pinaka-risky na lang na napatawag yung mga
Risky
o yung mga pinakamabigat?
Pinaka-risk talaga, ma'am, for now, for this year, is yung about, yung marijuana. Which students are indulged in using marijuana and drinking marijuana. Pero, the school have coordinated with the barangay, the CCSDO, with regards to this, na para to give sa students yung monitoring, no? And to help the students na para mawala or di kaya to monitor sa kanilang respective houses, communities, then para hindi na maulit sa school.
So, sir, sa doon kasi po parang nag-spoil storage dito. Sir, maitanong ko lang, ano po ang performance kasi isa po dito sa team namin sa Pinura? Okay. Ang performance po ni John Michael, ano pa ba? Pabigat or ano ba ito? Pasaway.
With regards kay John Michael, so he is very responsible naman inside the school and mga task na ibigay sa kanya. So, yun naman, wala naman siyang problem in terms of behavior and in terms of academics. So, nag-excel pa siya. So, he is one of my trusted na student and class officer sa section.
Okay po nga, balik tayo doon sa problema yung marijuana. Sa inyo sa idea mo po, mapipigilan ba or ma-minimize or
of course, mami-minimize siya if all the community actors would help, para mapigilan. Kasi kami sa school dito, of course, kung ano yung mga actions ng students, ano mga behaviors nila, so we will take responsibility of their actions inside the school. Pero pag outside na, so wala na kami habol kasi pag outside kasi kung students will still use those, so forbidden na mga bagay, so wala kami magagawa. If the family, the community would also help with that venture, so mapipigilan natin. Kaya nga, pag may mga problems kami dito with the students, especially yung mga risky at saka yung mga critical na mga cases, so we coordinated with the barangay CCSDO po.
so sir, last na lang po. Anong pwede pong maibigay muna payo or payo sa mga bata, sa mga estudyante at sa mga parents po?
Okay, for the students, ang reminder ko lang or magiging payo sa inyo is, of course, we have to listen to our parents. Obey our parents because as young as we are, so we are dependent sa parents nato. So, mo gyud na ang pinakakuan. So, kung unsa pag mingon ang parent na dili, so dili gyud na. No? Because ang ilang ginabuhat is for our growth, sa atong kaayuhan po sa mga bata. And for the parents, my reminders kung ano is, let's take more time with our children, bantayan nato and monitor unya i-check yun ang ilang daily activities para makabalot ta kung nanabay ginabuhat nga lain ng atong mga anak. Wala.
Thank you po,
That's
sir.
it.
Thank you po, sir. And congratulations po, sir.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Salamat kayo,
Thank you,
sir.
everyone.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Thank you.
Makita po kayo, mga 2 days, 3 days, makikita po. Salamat po. Yun po, si Sir, ano po yun, sir? Jason po. Sige, thank you po, sir.
Thank you.
Salamat po. Salamat po. Okay, tapos na po yun po, si advisor po ng club. Ay, dali. Yung section, agati po. Okay. Okay, Pinoy Rap YouTube channel. Pinoy Rap YouTube channel po tayo. Reading of honors po tayo dito sa Daniel R. Aguinaldo High School. Yun po ang class advisor ng section grade 10 section Agati semester. Mr. Jason Adolfo po. So, siya pa ang advisor ng aking anak. And dito po tayo sa drums. Okay, ito po ang drums. Daniel R. Aguinaldo High School. Pagunitin niyo. Lagi-lagi. Birasa, guniti. Birahan ako. Sige. Ayaw, kini guniti. Birahan ako. Sige na, ayaw. Pababa ka, bira ako kay mutaas ko. Sige. Sige, bira pa. Sige pa. Asan? Ma.
If you find this segment informative, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest news and share this broadcast to your friends and family. Your support helps us keep you informed. Help us get our first 10,000 subscribers. Your engagement matters. Liking, sharing, and subscribing to our content not only helps more people discover the important stories we bring you, but also supports our team's hard work. It boosts our visibility in the algorithm, making it easier for others to find ways to stay informed. Thank you for being part of our community.